What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing a what I eat in a day video for you all. There's been a few meals lately that I've been making that I've been really loving and wanted to share with you guys, and I decided to just combine it into a what I eat in a day. It's about 10 a.m. right now and I'm going to start making my breakfast, and for breakfast I've been making this spinach, egg, and tomato toast, and it's really good. I'm trying to eat more vegetables, so I'm kind of incorporating them wherever I can really. And yeah, let's just get started with the first meal. For this breakfast, all you're gonna need is bread, spinach, salt and pepper, tomato, eggs, and butter. Starting off, you're just gonna cut the tomato in half and then in quarters. With a pan on medium heat, you're just gonna add the butter and let it melt and add the eggs. The key to not making your eggs stick to the pan is leaving the pan nice and hot. I like to season my eggs with salt and pepper. And then I season the tomatoes with salt and pepper as well. After the eggs have cooked for a few minutes, add the tomatoes to the pan with the open side down. Pop your bread in the toaster. And let the eggs and tomato cook for a few minutes. Add butter to the toast. And then add the tomatoes to the toast as well, smashing them in with a knife. Add the spinach. And then finally add on your eggs. I like over easy eggs, but you can make yours however you like. So I just got back from the grocery store and I'm ready to make my lunch. I am starving. Lately in California, it's been raining a ton and freezing cold outside. And even though today it's not raining, it's cold and windy, and it's the perfect weather for a grilled cheese sandwich and some tomato soup. I've been making my grilled cheeses this way for a few years now. I'll link the video down below from where I got it from. But it's delicious. It's really different from the ones I've had growing up. I still love yours, Mom. But yeah, let's just get started on making our lunch. For lunch, you're gonna need bread, mustard, tomato soup, oregano, butter, and cheese. I used cheddar and Monterey Jack. To start off, you're gonna slice the bread, and I cut about 4 pieces. Then you're gonna grate the cheese. Spread the mustard onto the slices of bread. I used Dijon mustard. And add the cheeses to one of the sides.
Sprinkle some oregano, and then I also added some black pepper. You're going to want to spread butter on the outsides of the sandwich. For the soup, just add it to a pan of about medium heat, and I added about a 1/3 cup of water to the soup. Add the sandwiches to a low to medium heat pan and flip after a few minutes. And then you're ready to plate the food.
This looks delicious. So I'm gonna eat. It's dinner time now. Actually, it's past dinner time. It's like 7:30, and I normally eat dinner at like 6, no later than 7. But I fell asleep for like 2 hours on the couch, so that's great. For dinner, we are making stuffed bell peppers. I love these. They are healthy, delicious, and it's pretty fast and easy to make. They have like quinoa and vegetables and beans in it, so it's pretty good. And yeah, that's what we're making for dinner. I have my ring light set up here because I hate the kitchen lighting, and so I hope this kind of helps it a little bit. But that's all. Let's just get dinner started.
For the bell peppers, you're just going to need ground beef, salt and pepper, cumin, chili powder, and paprika, quinoa, corn, black beans, bell pepper, jalapeno, onion and garlic, and cheese. Heat the oven to 400 degrees, and with a pan of about a cup of water, bring it to a boil. Slice your bell peppers in half and remove the insides. Start chopping all your vegetables. After the water has come to a boil, add half a cup of quinoa that's been rinsed to the pan, bring to a low heat, and cover and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Finish chopping up your vegetables, so your jalapeno, onion, and your garlic. Add oil to the bell peppers and put it in the oven for about 12 minutes to let them soften. In a pan on medium heat, you're going to add the oil and add the onions and jalapenos. After they've cooked for a few minutes, add the ground beef and let it brown. Add in your seasonings and your garlic. Add in the corn and the black beans. After 15 or 20 minutes, take the quinoa and fluff it up with a fork and leave it for about a minute or so to pick up any excess water. Grate the cheese. Add the quinoa to the pan and mix it all together. Then take the bell peppers out, add in the mixture along with the cheese. And cook for about 10 minutes or until the cheese has melted. And that is it for these easy bell peppers.
These look really good. Let's try a bite. Yeah, it's really good. Alright, it's a little later now. It's about 9 o'clock and dinner was delicious. Kitchen is pretty much cleaned and I'm feeling like making myself a little something for dessert. I don't really have a sweet tooth, but this little dessert thing that I make is so good. I make it every once in a while. It's just like toast with peanut butter, bananas, and other toppings, and it's delicious. So, roll the clip.
What?
For dessert, you're gonna need bread, banana, peanut butter, agave syrup, and cinnamon. Add the bread to the toaster. While it's heating up, you're gonna wanna slice your banana. Then spread the peanut butter to the toast. Add the bananas on top. Sprinkle the cinnamon. And drizzle with the agave syrup, or whatever sweetener you'd prefer. And that's it.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you hit that like button down below and subscribe for more videos. I will leave links in the bottom bar with the recipes that I used, and if you guys try these out, let me know if you like them in the comment section. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!